Hey guys, yeah, you cannot catch me while I'm not there. Just do this. This should be paused. This should be paused. We should have YouTube chat somewhere open, because apparently it's useful. Is YouTube even started? Should be going. Should be working. Okay. Yeah, I already looked in. Siri did not reply them. Okay. My laptop is like higher than usual right now. Uh, but it doesn't really matter. So I might try moving my cursor like here, because my second monitor is lower. Anyway. Don't worry, you haven't missed many. There weren't any. I have not streamed since last year. Yeah, but we'll catch it up. He made this too loud. Okay, what should I be doing? Wait, there's no way. Right. Was it compile or did I change something? Oh, I did change something. By the way, oh, I changed. Alright, I changed the versions. So yeah, I have published OrcuCrate. Just to claim the name. And I have also messed up metadata twice. Messed up the version. But yeah, it's fine. Hopefully. Okay, so let's try making a body. Chat was cleared by a moderator. Huh. Anyway. Why did Better TTV prevent chat clearing when I am a moderator? So chat shouldn't have cleared for me anyway. Anyway, I guess let's move this into CodeGen. Why? Good question. Oops. So wait, what? Why can I not? Oh. Why can I? What? I could not press escape. I don't know what I have pressed. Might have been actually something Kitty related. It's Firefox. Firefox is nice, isn't it? So dark, unusually dark. Because if I turn on the light, I will be too yellow. The color white balance is not catching up. It's fine. Okay, so public mode CodeGen. Oh wait, CodeGen is public. Oh, it's the other lib. Gen lib. Oracle's CodeGen is obviously public. Public use CodeGen body. Statement, but actually, you know what? Let's rewrite CodeGen altogether. Because I've been wanting to do this for a while now. Haven't I? What was this? Else, Actually, I don't even need LSP stuff. Create it. FP start. No, I don't need restart. What's that? Yeah. It's rewrite time. Yes, it is. Wait, full screen my YouTube chat. That's not what I wanted. By the way, discounts on... looks familiar, but I don't think I know where it's from. Actually, well, I might know. It still looks familiar. Looks incredibly familiar, in fact. But I do not remember. Anyway. So yeah, discounts for all of the... It's rewind time? Okay, I do not remember a quote that sounds like that, because if I have seen this movie, I have probably seen it in Russian. Also, I wanted to check the movie. YouTube Rewind. Huh? So the meme I haven't saw before. Settings that subscriptions. Okay, so yeah, redeem discounts are still there and will be there. For subscription discounts, can I? No, it's still... Something is still going on. So I cannot do my own discounts. New Year streak, yay. Okay, so Kojin. Well, it's horrifically broken. Okay, let's create Kojin.rs. So this old Kojin, I'm gonna copy the body from there. Actually, in fact, I'm gonna copy all of this. Public in statement. Do I include comments? I guess comment string. Let's make it public. Next we have what do we have? That's enough. I'm gonna make them simple. Well, not that simple, but simple in general. Derive, clone, debug. I guess I could do those. I don't think that they will persist. Partial QQ, but we'll see. Oh, and also another body, box of body, because why not? Impl std fmt display for statement. Function format. Oops. Match self. See, I don't know about indentation. Maybe I do a wrapper. FMT statement. So it's lifetime A. Statement lifetime A. And then we have use size for indentation. Where my hands start? Okay, I need the lights. Hold on. Yeah, now I'm much more yellow. So I should fix that, and also I should fix... Do you see the transition artifacts? I might not be able to fix this when live streaming. Output, streaming, bitrate and stuff, audio. So have you noticed that they have lowered stream resolution and frame rate? It's recording stuff. Remind me to change it. Remind me to fix resolution and frame rate. I'm actually gonna add a to-do list entry. Here. Fix stream settings. Good. Yeah, I said I should fix it. Hold on. It's not today, it's just when I turned on the light. White balance automatic. White balance. Oh, here we go. It balanced. Should be. No. It doesn't look right anyway. Anyway. So. Yeah, body, comment. Right. You know what, actually I'm gonna ignore a empty statement. I'm just gonna do statement. So I'm gonna write comment dot split new lines. I'm actually gonna do for line in that. I'm gonna write. Okay, here. Formatting. I'm gonna write double slash line. And just do that. My hands do not listen to me today. Now, what is unexpected there, huh? Is something wrong? What? I don't see what's wrong. Are you expecting a comma or something? Oh wait. Yeah, right. Right to F. That's what it's expecting. Also, statement does not take lifetimes. So here we'll add spaces and indentation. Right line. So it writes a single statement writes a new line after it, right? What's wrong with that? So I will write an opening parenthesis. Then we have a new line. In body dot to string, I'm also gonna have to import stdfmt display for body. I guess I should move those somewhere else. Should bug the behavior somehow. Split lines, lines. Right, ln line with an indentation. So all of the indentation is controlled here, so it's fine if I just leave it hard-coded a little bit. And then we have this, and then it also adds a new line. Correct. Not very clean, but you know. Well, maybe I move this into CodeGen directory. So here I'm gonna create we do statement. So I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna move this into the module. Come on, open it. Next, I'm gonna do for statement in statements. Wait, in statement. So here I take this all. Actually, I get rid of this. I just write. Actually, I just do body. Yeah, no, fine. I'll write F body. Actually, I wish I had an ability to. I wish I had an ability to have custom format specifiers or something. Format specifier padding or something. What is there in F? With options, pad integral. Pad. Min width of what to emit, fill align. Precision. There's the flag parameters. Sign. Ha. What? The minus flag was specified. So you can have an alignment somehow. Sign plus parameters of plus was specified. Sign aware 0 pad. Fill precision debug set alternate. Oh, that's like pretty formatting. Options. Flags is not used anymore. The optionally specified integer width of that output should be. Okay, let's check options. Oh wow. Flags. Fill characters 21 bits. Align left, right, center. Whether width is set, whether precision is set. And what is width? 2, 10, 10 characters, so it pads up to width. Oh wait, the dollar. Is the dollar sign? Yeah, no, I don't wanna deal with it. Let's just ignore it. And I'm also gonna copy this again. For statement and statements, for line in statement to string in self statements, like that. So this should borrow, so it should not take anything. Line is gonna be padded, and then we write closing thingy. Actually, not. I'm gonna get rid of trailing new line. Because that's bad. Narrate. I do not like how to get all my ways of getting rid of trailing new lines when formatting, because I need to check if check for first and stuff. This is Rust. I've heard this over on the YouTube side. So if I cannot pronounce your name. Okay, so let's write a line if index is above 0. And then let's just write that line. Okay. And here we just write the body. And here it adds a lines by itself, and then we do that. And that's all of the code, right? Yeah, no, that's not how it works. Okay, next we'll do CodeGen body backend. Happy New Year, yay! Backend context, let's say A. So we have the context imp B or B. Actually, not. Who cares? B. B is B. Let's keep it as it is in most Rust stuff. And then when we import CodeGen lifetime, we'll do a lifetime A for this one. And then we'll have B. Because I can't! When I told you that already last time. Does it help manage public function new self? Wait, new does not take self, that's not right. New CodeGen that will take backend. Lifetime AB. Return self. We return self of backend. Body is body default. We have that. Default. Treat body CodeGen is not implemented. Yeah, we'll implement it. So it takes that. Hopefully that's enough. And then we'll import body CodeGen or CodeGen. External, yeah, I don't really like the external thingy. So I really don't like the external thingy. I might change it. So if I get rid of external altogether, this function? Is the function even exist? Does it even exist? I'll need to or code. So then, if a function doesn't exist, function an external function. External function. So we have names, params, return types. All well. All is well. Now. Get rid of statement. Get rid of this. Self statement. Oh wait, self body. We'll do pub and push. Mute self statement. Self body. Statements push statement. Just like to shorten this a little bit. Okay, so I don't care about lifetimes, and I have B, which in this case is backend context. I mean, do you care about B here? I guess doesn't matter. Push statement, say statement comment. Format ty. Can I format the type? No, I don't think I can. ty type. Ty. Wait. If it's a type, oh, it's named. So I need backend macro context. Oh no, I need so many things. So I do need macro context in here. A body of a function, and then Kujin will be station of worko body Kujin. So that's existing. Okay, hold on. It's this. Here. Okay, so we public. What do I need specifically? Yeah, macro context. Ooh. This variable is just it's so annoying to have. Macro context. Ooh. I mean, B should provide it at this point. Because of all the displays. I mean, do I really care about macro context actually? Currently. I don't think I do. Okay, so let's comment that out. I set something default for X, new for Y. Bring to empty type constructor conventions. I mean, I have said that you should implement both default and new, so that you have default as a trait implementation and new for people who actually want to construct the type manually. Because when you call when you create a type, you probably I just like to write variable call new instead of variable call default. That looks cleaner than this, in my opinion. Anyway, and then you phrase it as like referring to empty type constructor conventions. Why it's so complicated? Empty type constructor. Well, it's not a convention, it's just that people do this. I don't think I'm the only one who does this, I'm pretty sure I have seen other people. There's no easier way to say it. That's not a convention! Like, when I do this, and Rust yells at me for saying, well, not like that, but for saying like that this is not a snake case name, that's when it's a convention. This is not a convention, this is just some people do this, some people don't do this. Many people don't care. It's, I would say, default for X, new for Y, talking about, because referring to is more complicated. Empty type constructor, I would just replace by constructors without arguments. Because it's not an empty type constructor. I mean, maybe it is, I don't know. It sounds too functional. I don't impose it. I don't care about people doing it or not. I don't impose it. Okay, so what do we... Followed by me, still a convention. Whatever. A sign. Let's just get rid of all of that. And here it probably somewhere. Cogent, new. So Cogent is now public, right? Cogent. Yeah, we do need a signature, but like... not right now, so I guess it's fine. We're now in generics. Same thing. I can just do create Cogent instead. And now in drop, also B. So here's the most important part where... Wait. That's not where I should be writing it, hold on. It should also be N because there is no external function. What is this? Should I import body into root? I don't know. So body has the thing. So let me copy this. Paste it again. External. I can feel the repetition now. Oh, this does not need body cogent. No, self symbols, insert thing, key, name, value, function, symbol kind function, signature, functional signature, parameter type, a body, none. Unwrap. Who cares? Actually, did they also unwrap here? Oh, it's self backend symbol. Let's do some self symbol. And it doesn't need an unwrap. It probably unwraps inside. Oh, no, it doesn't. It's different. Anyway. So in generics, if I go to CodeGen again, wait, into lib again. So I can copy this huge method, which is, you know, unnecessary to exist, and paste it here. No. So we have that. No, it should in theory. So, from CodeGen mods. That's what we need, right? So here I import std ops drop for CodeGen, and here I need a b and context. I don't care about lifetime and b. I never code by my mouse. But structure is implemented for does not. Okay, do need to do this everywhere then. House near. Good, I guess. Good for me. Put this here. It's already has it. Okay, so in drop we need self back and symbol name to do into yeah, unique value that needs to be applied with 0 types. Of course it is. So why not? Why not use this? Because capital here, like symbol kind what function signature. So I do need the signature. So let's not. I'm not able to save it. To save the file. Yeah, I guess I should import this. Multi-type. Multi-type is not very useful here currently. But that's temporary. We'll need it soon enough. So yeah, let's see. Body is gonna be self body, which will need stdmem take. Oh no, we do need take. This is gonna be from take viewed, and signature is gonna be stdmem take self signature, which I'm gonna replace instead for function signature from spec new. Return type is gonna be self. Wait, not self, it's gonna be type error. Okay, so that's good enough. So I'm probably gonna create FMT stuff for statements, but that's fine. So if we run it now, it probably won't compile, but you know, there was hope after all. Libres. Oh wait, this is wrong. Libres. So we add the signature here. I mean, I guess we should add the name as well. Name, symbol. Name. Swap name, symbol. No. Also here I'd like to do new instead of default, but okay, so if in generics we do need to do the same thing. External, yeah, right. In Rust C libres 995. 995, I get rid of that and make it external function. The compiler panicked, but it's fine, right? Because ACF, right? ACF? Probably. actually implement. I'm just gonna do self and then I'm gonna impl initiative coolgen for coolgen. Just gonna get rid of everything here. So much backtrace, huh? Oh right, ISTR already defined. It's hard to do. I mean, sure, I guess self-name. No, everything is empty, it's fine. No, we can start actually implement stuff. So first of all, return. Statement is pretty simple. In expression. Constant, variable, and I guess other things. Also, this is gonna have a variable decl, so we will need to add a formatter specifically. But for now, I guess I can do value. Also, we add a semicolon here. Expression does not have display implementation. So we have statement, we have expression. Actually, no, first we have expression. Or expression. Then we have statement. Or should we separate expression into its own module? I guess we should. Wait. The wrong one. It's also the wrong one. Hub mode expression. We use expression. Oops. Okay, so that's good enough for now. Also, we move this here. Okay, so expression statement, body. Okay, so in return value operand. Oh. So what I wanted is to have values. So to have variables automatically in line sometimes. It also will have functions automatically in line sometimes. So that's exciting. So Or actually, you know what? So this is boring. This is a boring way of doing it. So we'll have statements. We'll have statements. Okay, they are useful. But for expressions, okay, we'll have struct called expression, but we'll also have enum fragment. Okay. We'll have a display for fragment. And then we'll have a abstract expression, which is just gonna be like fragments. So we have like sequences. Hi, bad cop. Someone junker. Okay, so we have literals. Or I guess, I mean, I'm gonna say raw string variable. Yeah, that's weird, but that's they aren't common because I said in the past year. Last year, it's been well, it hasn't been a year, but you get what I mean. That discounts for redeems will probably stay until January 4th, including January 4th, if I will stream on January 4th, but I won't stream on January 4th, so yeah, anyway. It's a DFMT display for expression. That's my birthday. So how do I implement for fragment in self0? Right. F fragment. Do I just do that? Isn't that simple? Then I okay. The end. How can FMT fail, I wonder? I guess text. Variable var or name. That's simple. Missing dogs. Who cares? Who cares about dogs? Do I actually have to document all of that? Self-explanatory. Self-explanatory. That's how I document stuff. Exclusion is done. Function name, symbol name, signature of the owner. I guess I don't have to specify users. And body. currently generated body. Self-explanatory. And a statement. Hi, cinema guy for free. Statement. Yeah, Happy New Year, everyone. To everybody. Well, add a statement. Just add a statement. And everything else is fine. So we see effort himself. Theme change. Didn't burn better. I should have it, right? I don't know how out of date it is. I don't know. There are problems highlighting doc comments, switch to Zen burn. Christmas. Where are the doc comments? Wait. Oh. Yeah, there are problems highlighting doc comments. Zen burn is not better. I cannot read them either way. Look, they are here. You can barely read them if we select them. Maybe because you updated. I mean, actually, I have updated. I have updated fairly recently. In Z1 dark. Oh, here at least documents are present. I was like, where's the single document so I can check it? Oh wait, they are here. I just can't see them. Okay, so yeah. We'll have value stuff. So here I'm gonna have an operand. So we're gonna convert operand who as string or an expression probably. Place. Yeah, we're gonna have. Actually, I'm gonna call it OP. I'm gonna have event place. Self place. Place returns expression, or actually expression fragment. Or I guess an expression. Or do I do it in place? Mute back of mute expression. Variable name to the push of expression fragment. Variable name. So we have variable, we have global. Wait, 2.0, which is private. Use expression fragment because it's gonna be useful. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna move it into here. Because here it's gonna be useful, everywhere else not really. I mean, actually, we'll see. We'll see how often I use it. And where. So variable, oh, I need variable names and other stuff. Varroa and Graph-box material are the two dullest Helix themes. so this global name gonna be the same, except that name is actually gonna be so either what's it called? Escape. We do have self.escape, backend.escape symbol macro context. Backend escape macro context. So I do need macro context after all. And during display, do I need it during display? Or I mean, I could convert it to symbol, I guess. So rename this to symbol and name this to symbol, or to symbol in fact. And this is name. I don't like that this theme does not highlight stuff inside of the macro. So those things are normally highlighted inside of the format macros. Okay, so symbol into name. Okay, I don't need to escape it currently. I'm gonna have to escape it later. Next deref place. We have 2.0.push and raw dereference. Or actually not, raw could have a string slice, a static string slice. Then we'll do place dot self place on box place. Alright, this should be there should also be ref this, deref this. I guess I could sref it. Hold on. If I do this, will it? Oh, it doesn't care. Let's go. And then place field. So, do we care about fields? We do, I guess. Oh. Then we have literal. Raw piece of text. Symbol from somewhere. Then we have a constant or field name. So symbol should probably be last. One fragment of the expression is stored as a collection of frags, kinda like tokens. Yeah, that's weird, but like makes sense. so fields, we're gonna have self place 2, 2 dot each fragment raw dot, and then we're gonna have fragment literal field. I mean, this is also a symbol. It's not a variable though. String. Or as a str to owned. No, I'm gonna do string. So then we have place. Actually, fields should probably have should probably have interning stuff. I mean, field names. Okay, field names. I'm not gonna so symbols, I'm not gonna escape them. I'm gonna get rid of symbol escaping. That's like a wild thing to say, to be honest. There's no default on this thing. I'm gonna return it then, and then I'm gonna do self place place to expert. Oh, and this is gonna be a reference. Value and size. I'm gonna ignore size for now. So I'm just gonna do self, or actually expression. So operand is an expression. Yeah, fine. I'm gonna do single fragment, which I do need. I'm gonna use it. Raw little symbol. So we need literal value to string. We're gonna have expression single. Or actually not. I don't care about expression single. I'm gonna create a closure. Okay, then I'm just gonna do literal. And unit I guess to do on unit for now. So declare var. We'll worry about it later. We'll worry about it when we get there. So I want to mix variables and values because there is mutability involved. So you might get rid of operand unit, and you're gonna have to construct it manually. So that's gonna be pretty fun to work with. So return value operand, destination, place. Oh, place can be formatted as expression, but oh wow. I mean, I can format place later, I guess. Cause it's pretty simple. It just needs to be formatted. So I guess here instead I'm gonna do version of back of something like fragment place. Then I will need to own it. I mean, I can own it. Wait, I can take it. So declare variable. So we have so we'll have a vector of variables in CodeGen. I know, should CodeGen actually expose all those fields? I guess it doesn't have to. Variables. So for the prods we have variable body variable spec of variable info. We have something here above the display for body. I guess I'm gonna move this down. Then it's easier to drag. So we need variable info struct. So this is gonna have variable info like name, string, or a symbol. It should be a string because it's not a symbol. Or should it be turned? Yeah, let's see. Then we have, well, it should be a string probably. Then we have what, a type, ty, or type. And then we'll have like references or something. What if you split an empty string? Will it yield multiple? Will it yield 1 or 0 outcomes? It gets 0. Anyway, so I want to temporarily store variables. So then I'll do add function parameters. Owner doesn't have to be functions, but the signature should be a function. So all those operand place things. Well, I mean, place makes sense. Operand, I guess, as well. So here when we declare a variable, we'll do let id equals self variables len variables push variable info. So type we provided the type name is format underscore id, and then it will return c variable id. Cool. So we won't declare anything right away. Then when we assign a value to place, we have call. I'll call and return work on operands. So I mean, let's do self which return of an expression self op value. OP will probably take mutable self, but we'll get to it. Soon we assign. So we assign value to destination. Okay, so in this case, we'll need to check if we need to declare the variable after all. Because it's a temporary variable, it will be temporary. Need to also track assignment order. So top. It doesn't have to be clean, does it? So let's maybe declare everything. Also provide optional name here at some point. See, Nigel. So or code type, string name, and that's what we need. I can delay the variable declaration, I guess, up to the first assignment at least. That's gonna be too complicated. Oh, and here we go. We need context. We need everything which we don't have. Backend, context, type, name. Okay, we'll get to it, I guess. So hard. Because it is gonna have a semicolon at the end. So we need a bunch of things which you don't have, which is a problem. Well, we do have ty name is of name, which reference here, sure. Save it. So why am I doing statements? Why am I not just writing writing the sequence of text? Because I wanna do inlining. I want to allow functions to be inlined directly. I mean, doesn't make this does it make sense? Maybe it doesn't. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Maybe I should just not care. I do want to, or do I do want to do symbol names. I mean, maybe I do want to be able to inline sometimes. What do we also need apart from that? Symbols, escaping something, mangling. Well, mangling will do defines instead. So yeah, we'll do defines for mangling. We'll do so we'll have symbol names. Actual proper symbol names, which we will use, I guess, for whenever we need them. Yeah, I don't think we need really anything here. I guess we could have just generated into a string. I mean, we do need, so we need variable types and stuff like that. But other than that, do we really need anything else? So yeah, I guess maybe just use a string for the body. Get rid of that. So do we need anything separated? Guess not now. I'll move this food.rs again and get rid of that. Code gen.rs. This is gone, this is gone. Wrong code. Okay, so we have this. We'll also need symbols. Function. So function is gonna have string as a body. Don't care. I don't care about context. I don't care about anything else. String new, sure. Also, I guess I could do this, and this public. Other things should be private, probably. This bird is making noises. Okay, so variables, add function parameters, we'll add them. Right. Push stir. So yeah, declare variable. Oh, indent stuff. Well, maybe I should come back to code and.old. It's just so similar. At this point. You convert variables like that. Yeah, we don't need the backend escapement, do we? Yeah, we don't. Option of string. So I'm gonna use symbol for symbol names. Strings for whatever else. Welcome back. Okay, so we have that. What's a string? This is string. Oh, this part. I'm not sure about this part. I'm so not sure about this part. I guess I could do it optionally. And then using this is will be added later. I can't keep up with rewriting back and again with that. Okay, type hashable name. Do I need that? I think I do need that. How hashable is this name though? Integer size, yeah, that stuff. So function, it's gonna be strings. This is gonna be a string. It's gonna be strings. Include gen. I don't need symbol, do I? No, I do. Because global is a symbol. Local is a variable. Place field. Field access gonna have use size using an index. Now that sure in this in field index. Using zero based field index. Now declare that sign important place that stuff. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I don't think impulse. I don't think I need to worry about impulse. Now for backend, that's gonna change some things. So escape is gonna be I'm gonna rename it to sim name. Symbol macro context. Name the symbol. In the used in generated code. Your conflicts, that stuff, we'll figure it out. Next, backend context. That should be fine. Now this takes strings as parameter names, which is fine, which should automatically convert because we changed it. String should automatically work. We meant okay, that, and now those are also strings. So those are strings because they're replaced within symbols. That's exactly what I want. Generic, because this should take string. The fact that it clones this every time is not very good, but I mean it's fine, so it shouldn't be that bad. params, okay, strings. Here, same thing. Generic state strings, so this should chain correctly. No, that changed. Oops. Should also go to references in here. Bunch of references and symbols. This is the most correct place to use it. In types here, in types in here, I'm gonna change it. Then we'll go CodeGen. Was the declaration in CodeGen? Yeah, I'm gonna change that as well. So here we don't need sim name. So this is will it coerce? What is the name? Oh, it's an optional. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So in symbols, a bunch of them. In here, I'll need to change it. Did I clone it? Wait, I do clone it. Also, why is it still indented? Where am I? Oh, it's CodeGen old. CodeGen old is useful. I wanna check here. That needs changing, that I guess needs changing, and that, what is that? Oh yeah, that's fine. Wait, no, that needs changing. No, that's fine. Signature params. Wait, yeah, no, that needs changing. Because the name is a string. Well, we would have caught it. Wait, we need a ref. Oops. Temporary value dropped while borrowed. Yeah, that's a problem. We have a lot of other team names in here. This team name also doesn't need to be here. In fact, I can shorten it that much. And this team name doesn't need to be here either. How does it work? Where is the sim name of the actual name? Oh, it's generated on the fly, right? It can be substituted. That's interesting, but no. So why can I not hear music? Because I muted it somehow for myself. Okay, so we don't need to map that. So we have name, and all the params. But can I keep this as stairs? What? No way. Can you do that? I can do that. So you're saying slice? We just escape. Oh my god, what? Hold on, how does that... I mean, okay, default for string slice is fine. Mutable string slice, how is that useful? It's like, yeah, you can mutate it, but like, there's nothing to mutate. I mean, I guess it is useful, actually, you know. Hi, Linksman. Anyway. Params is an iterator. An iterator of strings, of references to strings. String sref. So that should work. And then this part. The default will... the default is literally a function with no lifetime on the left hand side and a lifetime on the right hand side. Yeah, cause that's fine. Cause it's static lifetime. Static lifetime coerces to any lifetime. Although actually I'm surprised that it's not a static lifetime there. Cause it could be... is it static? Of course. Well, it should be static. Well, it doesn't specify here anywhere. Wow, it doesn't specify here anywhere, but like point is, it's static because you provide a static value, which is an empty array. Thing is, it is static. Lifetimes are just time data. Yeah. Because there is no data to mutate, so you don't care. It is unsafe inside, but like, point is you... No, it's fine. It is confusing. You are asking right questions, I wouldn't think about that. But yeah, it is... you cannot mutate it. Because it's empty, there's nothing to mutate. But you need it mutable. So you get a mutable static reference. Because you can mutate it, but you just... there's nothing to mutate, so it's fine. It's like compile time only magic. Type magic, basically. Interpolation of runtime expressions. Yeah, right. Format. How do I... I think I can... So you need a string slice as a... why can I not convert this to a slice temporarily? I don't know where to put this. final who owns this thing. Which is annoying. Incredibly annoying, but whatever. Okay, so now we have that. And yeah, we can trigger. See, I walked through symbol fixes. Liberas needs this one. No. Now, do we need to change anything here? Well, I shouldn't. Text backend, macro context, convert stuff. Okay, in symbols we should probably also not need to change much. Body params, because we changed everything already. This function signature stuff. Yep. And now codegen, which is the most important and the worst part. But it's fine. We'll make it good. Yes, we have variables. Variable info. Why doesn't it format properly? Because I messed something up somewhere. You get rid of this for now then. Okay, let's do have that stuff. Then let's do a function var self var variable and returns variable info. It was like fill in with the code. So it should be just as simple as this. So what about lines? I guess. I mean, do we need indentation parameter? Maybe. So indent 1, body is gonna be opening bracket, new line. So we're ready to insert stuff, and then push statement stir. I guess body push new line as well. No, here obviously I won't be using that. Actually, I don't know. Let's do self indent. We actually not that function I guess useful. Then mute self. Mute everything again. from 0 to self-indent. Do I need this? Do I need this? Do I need this? Do I need this? Or is there a better way? I mean, there should be. There should be in theory. But I guess whatever. Self body push stir will indent with double spaces. No. The self indent. Then right. Self with body. F and T type. Oh, we do need macro context as well. So FMT functions and symbols and other things. Oh, we just allowed missing dogs for this one. We never explain it. It's like this is the only thing that should be explained. Yeah, I should probably figure this out. I mean, backend should provide macro context, to be honest. You know what, let's skip this part for now. We'll get to it again later. We don't like the right. Okay. I do need it. Self body push. Or actually, I can do self push format. Guess that's best I can do. So it's gonna be this and semicolon. FMT type. That's gonna be false. Backend is gonna be self backend TY. We do have TY. But it requires a reference, so sure. And name. Sum of name. Reference to the name. Let this be equal to. Then I'll move this later. So we'll register it. Come on. Well, that should be pretty fine. Now return, I'm just gonna push. Name this to self statement. Or stmt. Format, expected string slice full string, yeah, right. We return, and actually, well, in this case I'm gonna change it. because I need the operand. Or should I change it? Yeah, I should just change it. Or should the operand just return a string? No. We'll get to it, I guess. Let's get rid of the body completely. And let's try running it, actually. It's probably not gonna run, but we'll see. Hope's still there. Nah. Oh, right, I need to fix Rust C, which has a lot of stuff to fix. Operand rs 25. Oh, this is the most important. Actually, no, it's not. Field 1. Oh, it's field. Fields. Field index. Can I get field index as in like index? The source order, which is important, which is what we have. Index. Let's start with what? Oh yeah, it should probably, yeah, right. Index 0, field index 1, yeah, right, exactly what I want. So I don't care about this. Field, how can I get the index? Index. Oh, it's so simple. Get rid of this. Oh, it's so simple. Get rid of this. Wow. Oh, that's so much nicer. Wait, why am I ignoring plays and projections? I mean, I guess I don't really need them. No, what's next? Yeah, right, operand line 95. Shouldn't have closed it. That's the most scary one. Well, it's not 95 anymore, but yeah. It's this, it's a unit. To do ain't working. Well, we'll make it work, but... but yeah, it's a problem. So this is on OP. Should take mutable self, probably. I don't know what self is, but it should probably be mutable. Because we'll need, what do we have here? We have body, we have code, okay. Let's force it to declare a variable of type. How do I convert it? How do I convert ty to type? Self. Backend. What do we have? What is in self? TTX, cogent, body variables. How do I convert types? In here, for example. Oh, create types convert. Types convert TCX TY. TCX self TCX TY. Not far. And then I'm just gonna do C place variable var and over yay. Expected operand OC operand place. Hold on, it's getting colder. Okay, so we have that. Also YouTube check just in case. Now, place. Yes, that should be better. Then in lib. Oh, way in lib. Oh wow. That. Because we need names, but name. Option of string. And then Esther. And then just that. His pet name is a string. Yeah, we don't need that. Declare with generics. This macro. How big is it? Well, it's fine. Okay, so alright, structs. That's also an ident. Wait, no, it's a symbol. What is the symbol? Internal UTF-8 string. Original as written in the source code. Rawness. I don't like rawness. Well, string, font string. So all the fields have the names. I know how to string works on it. I know as a star probably works. So to ident string uses ident to string. Debug and display use self as star. How about regular to string? Wait, debug display. Since display exists, so just name to string should work. Now for the ident one, name symbol span from stir Esther. So we have Esther, and then we have all that stuff. Debug. So so we have display for ident. Ident printer. That's not what I want. So I need as raw string. I guess a star is fine. Be somewhere. Yeah, that should just be to owned. Some foreign functions on this. Oh yeah, right. That's it. Now we have set stuff. Let's test it. Yep. Oh, a lot of stuff. A lot of errors. Cogen. Cannot use OPs. Because OP's borrow self is mutable. Oh no. Trading a local. Why is this still not the case? Why can I not do that? Like, why do I have to do this? Why are parameters borrowed at the same time? Sign P. I guess because you can't tell the order or something. Of it. Project deeper. So this does this use OP again? No, it shouldn't. Adding spans to a popular Rust crate for parsing closure. Yay. You know. Oh god. Params. Let params be this. So that works. Next. This is like absurd. It's like annoying that I have to do this. And as I'm doing it quickly, I'm probably messing things up. I should probably like look more into it. So let's rename this to Funk. Okay, that actually looks cleaner, kinda. Okay. A lot of warnings. Yeah, that's fine. Well, it should at least generate something, right? Regifan struct. What? An empty struct. Oh, because it hasn't been turned. And that's what's going on? It's just struct. Huh. I mean, I guess that's how it's supposed to be. Where's the closing parenthesis though? Oh, because we're never adding it. Right. Let's see here. So body, self body. So first of all, I'm going to self body, push, stir, new line, closing bracket. And then in the statement, for line in statement, split new line. We'll do line. Oh, and yeah, it ends with a new line, so I guess I don't need a new line here. So this can be replaced by a regular push. It looks better. So that should be a little better. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. That okay. No, we actually need to generate something. I mean, at this point, I should just copy everything from here because it's already implemented. Oh, I could do that. Wow. I think it's fine. Okay, so form. I wanted to do something for return, something special. I wanted operands to write directly. It's not gonna be. It's gonna be like that. Now much OP. Front place, mute. Pretty tiny frostbite. High. Mute self. OP. Place. See. Place. Match place. Variable. Yeah, self var name. Тебе так само. I'm actually not sure which language you're using. It might be either self or body push. So name is string booster. Ooh, okay. So let's do it. Partially. It was not great at it. Well, not particularly. Yeah, YouTube chat, which you can't see. Here it is. Let's make it large. I mean, I guess I could put it here. It's just that YouTube chat, as in technically, it's annoying. It doesn't update often, and API for it is like I already said this multiple times. So yeah, I normally put it in the corner here, but like when it's on my second monitor, I can at least look at it more often, because Twitch chat is also there. I mean, technically Twitch chat is also there, but yeah. It's a variable. Yeah, we can't do this. Then whatever. No. Will it? It will let me, but that's like annoying. Or I guess I could inline var. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. This is just the self. And then get rid of this. What are we building? Our compiler, as always, just rewriting CodeGen for C. So now we'll do it. But if we do grep, yeah, we do need parentheses. I know the syntax is any better. Field place IDX or place field, I guess. So I'm gonna have self place place, and then we're gonna have self body push dot. And I'm gonna append the field name. But for that, oh, that's gonna be tough. For that, we need type of the place. And that's gonna be fun to work with. Oh, because we might not be able to get that type yet at all. So we'll need to make it delayed. We will need to delay it. So if we want to delay this, well, then we need to store all of these things. That's a problem. So I mean, well, we could do fragments again. We could do our lovely little fragments again. Delay places. I mean, that's actually everything that that's required to do inlining as well, so I guess that's useful. So let's bring back our body struct. In raw string indent might have I don't know about types, but place we might have indents and other things tweakable. But I think we'll deal with it later. probably time to end. Yeah. Abrupt. But that's how it is. Obviously, we should trade somebody. Nigel, you have any good candidates? Searching for compiler tag is not a good idea. Because many people just don't bother. There's a Twitch channel called Compiler Dev. I make apps, games, and podcasts. And last stream is gaming stream. Wait, what? Y4SPR asked me anything building the Yin compiler. Benchmarking try to 56 versus try 52 versus hash table, huh? Oh, that might be interesting. I should call myself Game Dev Zone. Okay, so this guy. Let me see. So this guy is apparently building a compiler.
So
So
I'm
maybe
Alpha
rate them.
AGI, yeah.
Something low, very low level as well. Wow, some good recommendations here on Twitch. So yeah, I guess you can try raiding that person. We can try raiding that person. Good idea. It works. So yeah, thank you for joining. I'll see you next time. Might stream tomorrow, might not. Cool PFP, I guess. And see you soon. Let me just copy this. Or not. See you anyway. Bye. Let's go.